Hey everyone, welcome back to the gaming family. In this video, let me show you how you can turn on eye tracking on your iPhone. Just make sure you've updated to iOS 18. To enable it, just follow these steps. First, we have to open your settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Ensure you are using the latest version of iOS. If not, update your device to the latest version. After updating, open Settings again and scroll down to find Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility and scroll down to find the eye tracking option. Unfortunately, eye tracking is only available on iPhone 12 or later models. If you're using an older model like the iPhone XS, this eye tracking feature won't be available. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.